In order to make our program run in stealth, we will write a stealth function that will make use of some very neat built-in Windows functions. We will begin our stealth function by declaring a function prototype directly below our prototype of the save function. So we'll scroll up our code all the way up here to int save, and I'm going to come right below it here on line 7, declare void stealth function. Since the stealth function will not be returning anything, we will declare it as void. Scroll below the save function, this function here. I'm going to copy these separators. So we're going to scroll below the save function, line 68, paste the separators, and let's write the skeleton, void stealth. Inside the function block, we must declare an object of type HWND, and we'll call it stealth. On line 72, I'm going to write HWND and call this stealth, semicolon. And come on down to the next line here. Now we're going to call the built-in Windows function alloc console. So it's going to be ALLOC, capital CONSOLE function, semicolon. Come on down to the next line. Now we'll give stealth a value that will be returned by the built-in find window A function. So we'll do this. Stealth equals find window A function, semicolon. Pass find window A 2 parameters. The first console window class and the second null. So inside here, we're going to type in quotation marks console window class, and then the second parameter is going to be null. The final step is to show the window in stealth. Show window stealth, comma 0, semicolon. Now that the stealth function is written, we're going to scroll back up to the main function. So make sure that we get these down good and well, line 70 through 76. The stealth function. Pause the screen and code it if you have to. And we'll scroll all the way back up here. Right above the character I here on line 11, we're going to type stealth function. So this is going to actually call the stealth code. So let's press F9 and see what happens. We can see that there's no console window there, but the program is running. Let's press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and take a look at all the Windows processes. I'm going to click on the Processes tab, sort it by name. We see that here, basickeylog.exe is being executed. So even though we can't see the program, it is running and logging my keystrokes. I can test this by opening up Notepad and typing something. So let me close this, start, run, and we'll type in the word Notepad, enter. And why don't we just be all my keystrokes are being logged, enter, and stored in a text file, enter. Watch this. Go to the keylog, open up log. Everything that I just typed was put in here. And it even goes over here through another line. You can see how I have my backspaces there from when I made a mistake. I have all, and then I backspaced a whole bunch of times. That's pretty neat. The way that we can stop this program from running, I'm going to close the log.txt file. Then I'm going to delete it. And I'm just going to close this. I'm going to close the text file that I had. And I'm going to even close dev C++. And let's close some of this action here. Give me a Control-Alt-Delete, sort by name. And the way that we can end this is to click on the basic keylog.exe, end the process, and then select yes. In conclusion, keystroke loggers are very interesting tools when it comes to computer science and computer security. It's fascinating to see how easily someone could watch our every move on a computer. And with the ability to add stealth to these programs, we may not even be aware that such programs are running on our home computer or our work computer. I hope that these videos helped you become more aware of how simple it is to log computer activity and perhaps make you more cautious in the future. I also hope that those viewers that are interested in computer science and the educational value of these videos enjoyed a good learning experience. Please only use this program for educational purposes and never use it on anyone or any computer without the full consent of all operators of that computer. If you choose to place this program on a computer without the user's consent, be aware that you may be fined or put in jail or both for violating computer privacy laws. Thank you very much from all of us here at WiBit.net. Happy coding.